This One's for the Gals began with a simple belief that girls can't be what they can't see, and that every young woman deserves the chance to discover just how powerful, capable, and unstoppable she can be. In the beginning, it was small. A few conversations, a few volunteers, a few brave students willing to step into something new. We didn't have a blueprint. We just had heart and the determination to open doors that had been closed for far too long. And then something incredible happened. Communities showed up, educators showed up, industry partners said, "We believe in this, we believe in them." And those early moments grew into something bigger than any of us imagined. Today, This One's for the Gals is no longer just an idea. It's a movement. A hands-on, hearts-in, boots-on-the-ground mission that brings together families, students, companies, tradeswomen, mentors, and entire communities, all working toward one shared purpose: to show girls that their futures are limitless. We've watched young women pick up tools for the very first time. We've seen confidence sparked in a single moment, the moment they realize, I can do this. This world belongs to me too. What started as a handful of workshops has grown into expos, campus programs, industry partnerships, summer initiatives, and statewide events that change lives. Not years from now, but right here, right now. And behind every step forward are the women who pave the way, the ones who show up, share their stories, lift others higher, and remind us that representation isn't decoration, it's direction. It's the difference between wondering and knowing. Because when girls see strong women leading the way, they don't just imagine a future in industry, they claim it. This One's for the Gals has become proof of what can happen when a community chooses to invest in its daughters, when companies step up, when educators lean in, when people believe that the next generation deserves more. This is only the beginning. The work we've done has laid the foundation, but the stories yet to be written, the futures yet to unfold, that's where the real magic is. Here's to the girls who show up with curiosity and courage. Here's to the women who lead with strength and heart. And here's to the communities that refuse to let opportunity pass the next generation by. This one's for the gals. This one's for all of us. And the best is still ahead.